The air quality in India is dipping. The common man is being robbed of a basic right: clean, breathable air. The rising level of pollution in the country has made clean air a luxury. Add to that the Diwali season, when firecrackers make the situation worse. Volvo, a car brand that has always put the needs of people in the core of their design and innovation, employed clean zone technology inside the cars and committed to electrification and greener technology. But there was another bigger question we had to address. Could clean and breathable air be democratized? We decided to take up the challenge of finding economical ways to extend our own clean zone technology to those who need it the most. And that is how the Breathe Free campaign was born. We initiated by releasing a hard-hitting video right before the extreme pollution season hit the country.
Star, how I wonder where you are. Up above the world so high.
Reimagining the popular children's rhyme, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, we asked people to join us in our vision of democratizing the air. And received a strong response, with multiple publications carrying the video and its message. We could not do this alone. So we reached out to the younger generation and made them a part of the solution. With the help of ASOCHAM, an NGO working towards a sustainable future, we reached out to schools across Delhi. Their Persevian, a tech startup, helped us inspire the kids and shape their innovative ideas. With their help, we also created over 1,000 kits, which were then given away to the most polluted regions of the city. To give the movement more scale, we used our showrooms across different cities to hold similar workshops for kids and their parents. Clean zones were created at the most polluted junctures of NCR for traffic cops who bear the brunt of pollution all day long. And on Diwali, we wanted to reach out to the largest section of citizens. So, we turned to newspapers. With purifying membranes attached, we reached out to car drivers. It all began with a simple thought, and the response received was heartwarming. Across social media, people engaged and showed overwhelming support. The Indian press wasn't far behind. School kids across Delhi were educated about the effects of pollution. Air purifying kits created by them were provided to underprivileged families. Their unique ideas shaped and implemented for traffic cops and cars. In the end, we managed to start a much-needed conversation around clean air. And we don't intend to stop.